Okay. And now I want to talk about something that's we're seeing frequently in the news about these CRISPR patents, held by the Broad Institute in Stanford. So I just was curious if anyone has any thoughts about how if one of their patents is to be invalidated, do you think that will affect VC funding of future projects that may license the CRISPR technology?
Yeah, I mean, we had a few of these questions before. I saw it. I was like, boy.
No, it's a loaded question.
That is a tough question because it's just a complex field to even start into. There's so much going on there. So, I mean, I actually can't hazard a guess to that. I'm not an expert in that area. I've followed it really from a good arm's length away because I haven't had to know about it. And so,
well, all of you are too young to remember this, but when Bill Clinton and Tony Blair, I think, had a conference in March of, I can't remember exactly what year, and talked about how, you know what, we don't really think DNA should be patented. The biotech index tanked. I mean, it went like this. There was not a biotech company that left standing. And I think that these kind of momentous sorts of things have a huge impact, or let me just say at least an unpredictable impact. So I think maybe we've moved on in the world, and this level of sophistication about this is better. But as you well know, I mean, the battles that are being fought right now around biosimilars, for example, there's I mean, I was on a panel last year at a law firm in New York on just where all we talked about was the litigation around biosimilars. So there's a lot of patent law evolving, as it always is the case. There's a bunch of Supreme Court cases that have been recently decided that are very influential. So I mean, I think yes, the answer is there can always be one of these sometimes expected, sometimes not so expected rulings or decisions or whatever that can have a pretty material impact. I think the difference, I would say today, is just the enterprise altogether is so much greater. We have so many different technologies from not only, I mean, you're the world small molecules and all the ways to do that, and all the biologics and stuff. I'm sorry. So I think maybe as earth-shattering as CRISPR is going to turn out to be one of these days, I don't know that it's going to tank the stock market if that decision comes down in the Broads versus the Berkeley's favor or something.
Right.